All right, good morning. What's up, chat? Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, chat. Chat, it's time to make some money, man. It is time to make some freaking money, dude. You know what I mean, chat? It's a good day to make some money. Be aware today we have PMI coming out at 9:45 Eastern. So be aware of that. Be here in about 28 minutes. Paul, good morning. Kev, good morning. Trader 007, good morning. Let's dive in real quick, look at some levels. Try to find some good setups here that have potential. Nasdaq's kind of just hanging out down here in the 200s. A break of those 194s, I think, could send us all the way down to back to 23s, 23.9s, 23,900s. So we got to watch for this to get retraced because it could happen. Or we could just have a choppy day. There's three scenarios I see. There's one where we break that, we retrace the rest of this candle. Two, we chop up and down just because we did have such a big move and we're just going to be in this range. Or three, we do find bulls, we find some buyers, and we get up above 500s. Three scenarios. If we do get below, now if we do get below 200s and we continue to show weakness, I'll be looking for shorts. But if we snap this and then buy up, we'll be looking for longs targeting higher. So we'll be watching. Some things to watch for. Mario, good morning. Paul, good morning. The 5-minute ATR, the Nasdaq is already at 37, chat. So off open, we could have some movement. Something to be watching for there. What about 10 minutes till market open, chat? See if I missed anything on Truth Social. Oh. Man, did no headlines come out last night, chat? That's crazy. Had a quiet night in the markets, I see. Even London really didn't do. London didn't even do a whole lot. Yeah. London didn't do a whole lot either. Something big about to happen, maybe. I don't know. It could just be a quiet day. I mean, we have news at 9:45 Eastern, 8:45 Central, my time. I mean, it could be a quiet day today, especially since there was no headlines. Unless we get some like headlines come out today, we could have a choppy day. It's kind of putting off choppy day vibes if you think about it, because like we haven't really moved a whole lot during London or Asia. So it could get some choppy vibes. What up, Mario? We're basically in the middle. Yeah, we are. Scooby, good morning. G-Man, good morning. Make sure my trade sync is set up. Facts, dude. Thank you. Thank you for that. Daniel, good morning. Redneck, good morning. If you guys just coming in, do me a favor, smash that like button. Get the lags up on the stream early, baby. Early. You're slightly bearish, but have to see a little conviction. Conviction taking a snipe and walking away green or red. There you go. Close to that 10K mark sub. Yeah, we are. We're getting close. Getting close. I think we're like 80 away or something like that. 80 subs away from 10K. Caught a couple of good moves this AM on the TRADEIFY funds. Let's go. Up 1,300 on each. Holy shit, Redneck. Yo, you just decide to get greedy and just not save any for the rest of us, bro? Like, what happened? Save some for the rest of us, brother. You know, we want to make $1 today. We want to make $1 today. Nice work, dude. Nice work. Plenty left. I hope so. I hope we get some good moves. Market's open here in about 2 minutes, chat. 2 minutes. Tris, good morning. Just remember that we have PMI coming out 15 minutes after market open. You say market openings in 2 minutes just gave you a reminder you have a meeting? Holy. Yo. Good luck in the meeting. Take over. Be a leader. Chat, I have all the essentials, bro. Look, hold on. I got the water. Chat, hold on. Listen. Got the water. We got Celsius. And we got the hot coffee. All the essentials, dude. It's all there. Holy. Trunks, good morning. Made it for market open. Holy, you'll love to see it. Market's open, chat. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Yeah, chat, this is already giving choppy vibes today. I really am getting chop vibes. I mean, it's still early. Obviously, we got time, but I am getting chop vibes. I'm gonna fix the camera, chat. Hold on. There we go. Nasdaq trying to get above those 300s. Can I please set the IB indicator? It's not, I mean, yeah, but you're only gonna see like the numbers and not the lines. Well, actually, no, you should see the lines. There you go. There you go. I have to go to the 1 minute because market hadn't even been open 5 minutes. So yeah, there you go. Flacco, good morning. A bit sellers coming through here on Nas. Nice selling. Is there news at 9:45 today? Yes, 9:45. There is news. There's PMI. I don't see anything at 10 though. Just PMI at 8:45. Excuse me. That was some decent selling coming through. Gracias, Mario. Leia, pop it in and say hi. Catch you later on TRADEIFY. Absolutely. I'll be there. Appreciate you. All right, do we go down and run those lows down there at, let's see, what is this? 205? Do we take it out, chat? Asia low is what? 196, right? Or 193. 193. Want to see either a sweep of Asia or a break of it? Yep. Same. Nice, redneck. Yeah, Asia low looks pretty good to get swept. It looks like we're navigating right to it. Trying to. Come on, Naz, go ahead and just run it. Run Asia. All right, there we go. Asia low is now ran. Getting heavy. Getting really heavy. Okay, Asia got ran through. We are getting dumpy. We do have news in 4 minutes. Just be aware of that. My goodness. NQ dumping. Hang on, Chow. I'll be right back. Oh, what a buy up. Oh, lay. I walked away and now we're wicking out of everything. Sweep of Asia, buy up out of it, chat, maybe? Wowzers. What a bid. Yeah, that was quite the buy up there. 141 to 208. 67 points. News coming out in about 1 minute, chat. 1 minute. Just be aware we have PMI dropping. One runner to next major 24,060, or stop out for break even to kind of fun as holy redneck. Good job. Crushing it, dude. Absolutely crushing it. All right, PMI dropping in right now. The buyers coming through here. See if buyers can get us back to the 50% mark of the IB there. All right, buyers coming back up to the 50% mark of IB. Looking pretty strong. We'll see what happens at this level here. IB isn't set yet, but we do have a high and a low, so it's like a matter of like, are we gonna go make new IB lows here, or are we gonna go make new highs? That's the question. Trying to reject that 50% mark there. What's the 5-minute ATR? 49. So ATR is not as crazy as it was yesterday. Yet, yeah, facts. Nice selling coming through. We really are rejecting. Wow. Are we gonna go make new lows, chat? It's interesting. I'm intrigued. Is price at the GP on NQ? Are you talking about the golden pocket for on fibs? For like Fibonacci's? I don't really use fibs, so I couldn't tell you. Wow, we are gonna make new lows here. That's what it's looking like. Be dirty for us to hold right here, though. Absolutely filthy. Against my chest. There we go. All right, new lows. New lows on NQ. Just barely. With a buy up immediately after. I mean, not necessarily a buy up, but trying to catch a bid immediately after. I like the bid trying to come through. Looking pretty strong. Just barely making a new low and then buying out of it. Not bad. You definitely tell buyers are trying to push this. We can get a pullback. I'm not opposed to longing this. We can get a pullback. This buy up happened pretty quick. I mean, if you didn't pull a trigger almost immediately, you missed it. All right, long. Stop at the lows. See if we can get back into 200s here. Nice. I'm gonna take it off there, chat. That was a good trade. That was about 180 bucks right there. So all 4 micros. So we'll take it there. Just gonna be a little scalpy. Gonna be scalpy, but 180 bucks on 4 micros. I'll take that all day. All day long. Beautiful. BEA, beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at that. The moment I get out of it. That's crazy. The moment I get out, bro, that's crazy. Oh, well, that happens. Chat, I gotta run the restroom real quick. BRB. Don't make too much money until I'm back. Save some for me. Oh man, it's still going, chat. We are still moving and grooving. Man, pop at age of low, strength coming out of it. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see, what am I up here? $100. Okay, that was 130 bucks. So we took them those micros. We're up 457 from last night and now. Caught your bite. Nice. Yeah. I feel the same. I mean, it kind of sucks that it pumped the moment I got out like that, but I'm satisfied with what I caught. I mean, 4 micros, 130 bucks. That's pretty good for me. I'm in a season of just seeing profits and taking it. All right, getting back below the 50% mark here. That was a pretty steep reject. Across how many accounts? 5. Your target was just above the mid. Nice. See what happens here at the mid. We decide to hold above or if we continue to reject it. So $500 day, can't complain. Yeah, I don't look at it like that though, chat. I'm gonna be honest with you. I have mixed feelings about how people say they have like how much money they make in a day, just because like, yeah, well, I made 130 bucks in 5 funded accounts. Like, that's not my money. It's not my money until I take a payout. Technically, I haven't made anything. Like, that's not my $500. You know what I mean? So when people would say like they made like 20K or 30K, I'm like, no, you didn't. You didn't make anything until you took a payout. So that I have mixed feelings about that kind of thing. But I mean, the positive, yeah, Scooby, no, I get you. Like the positive thing is like we're continuing to be green. That's it. That's yeah, that's the win in all of it. Nice, Mario. Take that payout. $5 from yesterday, bro. That's so annoying. I can't tell you how many times, like, dude, I've blown accounts being that close to a payout. I really have. I'm like, yeah, I'll still on a micro. I'll make $5. Goes like I enter the position, it goes immediately against me. I'm like, okay, we'll throw on 3 micros. It goes against me. Okay, we'll DCA. Next thing you know, I'm in like 20 micros. And it just keeps going against me. Golly, dude. Been there. Been there. There's nothing more frustrating, dude. It's so crazy the difference like on how I trade my personal account versus my prop accounts. You can just tell that like I don't treat, I mean, I don't want to say I don't treat my accounts like my personal account, but at the same time too, I don't treat my prop accounts like my personal accounts. I am a completely different trader in my personal account, dude. It's crazy. I might take a stab short on this 50% market chat. Unless it just goes without me here. Let's see what happens. Because this could just flag out and then just buy up from the flag, so we'll see. Redneck, yeah, that's a good perspective. Switch to one account now, which working for a payout on TBT. Nice. Yeah. Yep, there's a buy up. Okay, so glad we didn't take a step short there. We were constantly rejecting the 50% mark, which had me intrigued of taking a short, but seeing the flag here and seeing us hold the way we did, that's why I stayed out of it. But I was intrigued while we kept rejecting the 50% mark. But now we're popping it. Nice, Mario. Wow, we're catching a decent buy up. Really big buy up. Feels like mine test the highs. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I mean, based off this buy up. Getting above the mid. And holding above it, finding strength. We might go the highs, honestly. Nice, redneck. Let's go. Good work. Is TBT, is it 2 days to pass? I don't remember. I haven't used them in a while. Is it 2 days? It is, okay, yeah. I have some fundeds with them that I blew, but I can reset them. Which I am considering doing. Oh, you need 5 days of trade. Presto, what up? Wait, why can't I log in? I'm trying to log in at TPT chat. I'm having to reset my password. The heck? There we go. Not worth the 600 in your opinion versus the 100 eval in a few days. Yeah. Wow. What sellers? Hello. But I think what I'm going to do is, like, once I get a payout from these TRADEIFY accounts, I'm going to use that to reset 3 of the fundeds I have. Don't they have an activation fee too, or they get rid of that? No activation fee with the code. Okay, I see. I'm taking 3 micros short here, chat. Just thinking that we might still reject the 50%, the IB mid. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna take that off there for 100. So that's 3 micros for $100. Just scalping it up, baby. Just scalping it up. Buying right back up here. Just kind of hanging out the mid. I mean, we either stay below it and we go down lows, or we get back above it and we push. We're up $230 though on the day for the fundeds. And that's just scalping a few micros on 2 trades. So 230 on the day. And we traded a total of 7 micros. It's not bad. On top of what we did on top of what I did last night, which is 300. So we're up close to like $600 since last night. I've really found like the power of scalping with micros. I feel like I really have. Like I've always been a micro trader. Like I've always enjoyed micros. I've always traded them. But for prop accounts, like just scalping, you know, with 4 micros or so, taking like $150, $100, like, dude, those add up so fast. So fast. And I think that's a perfect way to trade your prop firm accounts, to be honest with you. You'll have a higher win rate. You'll be able to stack those stack those profits. Scalping with micros, I think, is just the name of the game with prop accounts. Base hits, yeah, 100%. Dude, base hits just all day long. All day. Right back to the mid. Getting back above. Let's see, let's throw on show fills. I really hate the color scheme of Trade of Age hats. I really do. Post these screenshots just for entertainment. Oh no. What happened to my screenshot? There we go. There's that. And there's that. Dude, what is with this selling from the mid, chat? Holy. This selling from the mid chat is just wild. It's like, how many times are we gonna reject the IB mid before we come down lower? Well, something happens in the next few minutes, there's going to be very little difference between the 15-minute orb and the IB. Yeah. See, 15-minute orb, that would be the low at 137 and the high at 317. So yeah, the orb and the IB is pretty much the same. That's crazy. Luna, I haven't seen you in a while, buddy. How are you? What's up, dude? Luna. Trading London, so I'm pretty tired. Ooh, yeah, I bet. I just can't do London. I really can't. I would have to change my entire sleep schedule. I really would. I would have to be asleep by like, let's see. I would have to be asleep by like 6 p.m. in the evening to be able to wake up and feel good trading London and New York. So I would have to sleep from like 6 p.m. to like 1 a.m. which is roughly like 7 hours, right? Yeah. My whole entire sleep schedule would have to change. Trying to go to bed at 6:30 Eastern. Holy, yeah. Hasn't happened all this week. Why are you trading London? Just because? London PA seems familiar. Yeah, as of lately, I will say London PA has been, I will say, better. I don't know about last night. Last night wasn't really the best, but... Oh, yeah, that's right, Luna. I forgot about that. Yeah. All right, back above the mid here. Let's take a few micros long here, getting back above the mid. All right, don't want to see this reject the mid again though. Want to see this hold. Get us to like 60. That would be ideal. Guess I could have waited for a better pullback. This might stop me out. Oh, don't stop me out. Okay, stopped out there. All right. All right, we're 2 for 3. Or yeah, two for 3. That was a pretty steep, dude. What's with the selling, chat? Look at this. What's with the selling at the mid? Like, look at this. 1, 2, 3. Selling at the IB mid has just been crazy. Crazy. What are London trading hours? What is it? Is it the 3 p.m. Eastern, right? London open? I think so, yeah. Dude, the selling at the IB mid's just crazy. It's like, how many times are we gonna sell from that and not go down lows? Don't get chopped. So we are chopping the mid, dude. Holy. Like this, the selling from the IB mid just, it's so like persistent that I don't understand. I don't see why we can't get away from it. It's like price is just magneting to the IB mid. Want to see it break away from it. Wow. I mean, we truly cannot break away from the mid, dude. Called manipulation. And it's just a chop fest. Like, I had a feeling, like I even said earlier on stream that today feels like a choppy day. So far, it's kind of been what it is. It's like we get back to the IB mid, get above it, and then sellers come through and smack us back down. But it's like, how many times do we reject it before going lower, or how many times do we fail to go lower before we actually move higher? It's like, at some point we've got to break away from it. ES looks stronger than NQ. Do I trade with Apex? I have accounts with them, yeah. I have evals with them. I don't have anything funded. We still in the opening range on ES and NQ and YM. Yeah, it's just choppy day. That's all it is. We're just chopping the mid. Maybe we can break away from it. I mean, look at the selling, dude. From the IB mid, we have done nothing but sell from it. It's like, how many times are we going to do this before we go lower? It just can't do it, chat. Holy. Like, just break down for the love of God. Yeah, Market, listen to Joey. For facts, dude. Listen to me, Market. Just break down. Get away from the IB mid, dude. We're sick of it. All of us. We're all sick of it. Trying to. Mario, what's your entry? You're short. Yeah, you're short, right? Just wondering what the max profit target should I hit on the 150K account if we are capped on payouts. I don't find a point in making more than I have to. No, you shouldn't. You should if you get to the payout, Take it. Oh, 9 on ES. Okay. What's ES doing? Still rejecting its high. Nasdaq and ES are not, they are not the same. They are not correlated. They are quite the opposite. Not ES up near its high, Nasdaq's navigating towards the low. If we get away from the fucking mid. And right back to the mid on NQ. ES just teetering up there at the highs. What's gold doing? Is gold doing anything? Consolidating? No. My other accounts are all green, so don't really care if I lose this one. Nice. Yeah. Love that. I mean, dude, right back above the IV mid chat. Holy shit. It's like, golly. Struggling at the IV mid. Glad I got profits early today. This is rough. Yeah, this is pretty bad. Pretty bad. All right, so let's see if we can hold above the IB mid and work our way back up. Or if we find sellers once again from the mid. I mean, you really could just scalp this. Go short here, go long here. Short, long. Just trade that range. Can never be that type of trader. Yeah, I can't either. You could, but no. No, sir. There really just isn't much to do here until we get away from this mid. That's how I see it. With as much as we're chopping the IB mid, there's just not much to do until we get away from it. They're edging you on your stop loss? Oh, yeah. Oh, it looks like they might have taken it. If your stop loss was at 09. Oh, wait, no, your entry was 09. Your stop loss was what? What was your stop? A little higher than 14. Okay. I mean, bro, like, this is ridiculous, chat. Hold on. This is ridiculous. There's just no way, bro. Oh, man. There's no way. Sell right back below the mid, buy right back to it. Oh, okay, hold on. Was the market waiting on something? Did I overlook something here? Because that feels like potential news. Hold on. Was the market waiting on something? I don't see any headline. There was a Truth Social post a minute ago about the war in Iran, in the Middle East. Just talking about Pakistan being fully supportive of a dialogue to end the war in the Middle East. Which that Truth Social post came out the moment the market pumped. So that was probably just a quick reaction to that. Nothing crazy. But Trump shared that on True Social when we got that pump. So that's probably what that was from, but that probably gets retraced, honestly. If I had to guess, we retrace that and we come back down below 50%. That's nothing that's that crazy. Glad you scalped the sell. Nice. By just good old market manipulation. All right, yeah, here we go. We're just retracing it. Back to the IB mid. And there we go. Right back down. Just recouped your loss. Nice. I mean, to be honest, dude, I would have re-entered short too. I mean, that was just a reaction off that post from Trump Social, it looked like, or from Truth Social, which doesn't really hold that much weight. Makes sense for it to get reversed. All right, if patterns repeat themselves, long down here. Because we've just continued to buy up right back to the IB mid. You can get a test at like the 25% line of the IB and long it. Not financial advice, but that's the pattern. Whoa. What the fuck? Bro. This market's impossible, chat. This market's impossible, bro. It really is. Impossible markets. Oh, what the hell is that? What in the hell is this? Oh, here we go. Hold on. Surely it's not from this post on Truth Social. Oh yeah, it is. I guarantee it is. Chat, that's probably what that is. Here. Received a call from President Trump and had a useful exchange of the views on the situation in West Asia. India supports de-escalation and restoration of peace at the earliest, ensuring that the Strait of Hormuz remains open, secure, and accessible is essential for the whole world. We agree to stay in touch regarding efforts towards peace and stability. That was the post that came out when this pump happened. So that's probably what that is. Chat, if y'all don't have True Social, get it. Who is he? He's the Prime Minister of India. Anybody, anything Trump related on the war and opening the strait is gonna pump them, is gonna move the market. So that's why you saw that pump. Where am I seeing that on Truth? So if you go to dang, I just lost it. Hang on. It popped up under my alerts. So like under alerts, it showed Trump getting tagged in that post. And so that's how I saw it. So maybe it's in your alerts. Or you can go to homie's profile, which is his profile. Yeah, Trump, it wasn't posted by Trump. Trump was tagged in it. So you'll have to go to this guy's profile and see the post. I imagine that Trump will repost it, but that's what it was. Anything opening the strait, keeping it open, the war that is discussed by President Trump is going to move the market, right? So I saw it under my alerts. But yeah, there it is right there. Their alerts just in. Post that on Twitter real quick. And now retrace all of it. TRADEIFY stream is down? Uh-oh. Law and lost power, and they're working on backup. Holy fucking shit, dude. What is that? What is this price action, dog? Jesus Christ. Well, I said retrace it all and it happened. Chat, I don't know. My call outs might be fucking accurate today, dude. I might be on one today. Should I start selling alerts? Holy. I run it all the way back up. Go make new highs. Fuck it, do it. Go make new highs. Oh man. You're gonna be thankful to only be down $100 and call it a day on the fund. Yeah, facts. All right, what's the news? Gulf states weigh military options to counter Iran's escalation. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Iran's biggest Gulf. Yeah, chat, here you go. Here's the news. There it is. Chat, I'm gonna be honest, dude. Don't fucking trade. Just stay the fuck out of this market. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. If you're green on the day, just walk away. Go home. Or if you're already home, go outside and touch a flower or something. You went from red to break even to green. Call it a day. Chat, I'm being honest, bro. I'm being serious. Don't trade today, or at least right now. Don't do it. We go from chop to massive headlines. It ain't worth it. All it takes is one time for you guys to enter a position without a stop loss in place and you're cooked. Yeah, I think someone lost power or something, but they're working on a backup for the TRADEIFY stream. News-driven market's not for trading facts, dude. I mean, yeah, 100%, I agree. Stop loss, what's up? Welcome. Funny thing is my best trading day since last Thursday and up on 2 accounts. Nice, GG's. Just for a second, it literally stair stepped up. Yeah, it did. I mean, we probably go back to IB mid. I mean, if you think about it, we've been chopping the IB mid for pretty much all morning. So chances are we go back to it. I mean, the moves that we got now are just, they're purely headline driven, right? Majority of the time, they never sustain. They're just quick reactions to headlines. So if I had to put money on anything, we probably go back to the IB mid. Unless there's a headline that just absolutely rips us higher. I mean, unless that happens, then we go back to IB mid. Enrique. Hello, JM Profit. It took that holy moly from the break of pre-market low and crazy pump. Nice, GG's. Do I like Trump administration policies? I don't get into politics here. I keep my political life separate. The hardest part about trading is not trading facts. Yeah. Can be for most. For most people, it can be. Do I like Trump as a person? I think he's funny. But that's the most I'll say. I won't get into anything political on stream. Why ended a predictable move from London low to Asia high? Not sure I even stepped away from it, but I felt risky. I mean, hey, or felt frisky. I mean, hey, listen. Make your money, dog. Make your money. You're not political and drive your sister nuts. How's fishing been? Bad, horrible. I suck. I'm pretty sure at this point, like, all right, Scooby, have a go, man. I'm pretty sure at this point, me fishing is just gonna be a meme online from now on. I'm pretty sure just that's just gonna be a thing. Just one big meme. Well, chat, we're 2 for 3 on trades. We are green on the day. Between last night and this morning, we're sitting nice in the funded accounts here. You're just waiting for me to catch a fish so you can buy a lotto ticket. Holy. Nice video on the last one. Appreciate you. Chad, if you're not already subbed, bro, join up, man. What are you doing? What are you thinking about? What is there to think about? If you're not subbed, hit that sub button. Join up on the fam. We're live daily, mornings and evenings. We'll be live for Asia session tonight as well. We have a busy day today, chat. We're live right now here. I gotta hop on TRADEIFY if they get their stream back up. I gotta hop on TRADEIFY. Then I'll be live on NinjaTrader. And then I'll be live this evening. Live streams everywhere. All that fishing tech. What state am I in? Missouri. The last trade gave me battle scars. Golly. Yeah, I bet it did. Chart Addict says, I just subbed. I like you, bro. Transparency is key. Yo, appreciate you. Welcome. Simdia says, Joey, we hitting 10K subs soon. Yes, we are. We're getting close to 10K. Talking about last night, how do you sleep after trading? The stress wouldn't let me sleep. It's called, never mind, I'm not gonna tell you what it's called. For you, it's called bother the wife. Yep. All right, chat. Yo, appreciate you guys tuning in. Appreciate you. I'm gonna call it a morning. I'm gonna get ready for TRADEIFY stream. Hopefully they get it back up. Is it back up yet? Do we know? Hold on. Take a look. I don't see them live. But I'm gonna go ahead and be ready for the TRADEIFY stream. For when they get it back up. Appreciate you guys. Hit that sub on your way out. I will see you guys on TRADEIFY if you come over. I'll be on IndiTrader live also trading the close. And then we will be live during Asia session. So I'll see you guys, bro. I'll be here. Peace. Love you. Bye. Bye.